Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Minecraft authentication failed error code fix, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to the search bar and go ahead and just type in settings. Once settings is open, you want to make your way over to time and language. From time and language you want to look for date and time, and then what you want to do is you want to make sure that set time automatically is turned on. This is very important. You want to make sure it's turned on. Then once you turn that on, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and hit sync now. Now this is also very important because if there are any issues concerning with the time, then Microsoft does it's like authentication issues happen if you have any issues with your time, maybe if the time is incorrect. So it's very important to hit set time automatically and sync now. So once you're done with that, you can honestly X out of settings and you can go ahead and just simply restart your PC, and once it's turned back on, you guys will be good to go and the error code should be fixed. And that should be it for the video. That is it. That is how to fix the issue. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.